Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to create virtual machines automatically using a tool called Vagrant. So basically when you're creating your virtual machine, you need a hypervisor. So the most common used hypervisors, Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Workstation. So to create a virtual machine on a hypervisor, you're going to have to create manually. So you're going to have to download and install the operating system to configure the virtual machine configurations that you need for the virtual machine. So it's a whole lot of manual process, and it's hard to replicate a system like that, or to replicate a virtual machine rather. But then with a tool like Vagrant, it's very easy to automate the creation of virtual machines because it doesn't use operating system. It uses VM images that are stored on the Vagrant cloud. So it's very easy to set up. It's very easy to replicate a virtual machine because it uses a file called a Vagrant file, which is a Ruby script that you can configure everything from your networking, your RAM, from everything about your virtual machine. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool and how you can utilize this for virtualization, especially in cloud, DevOps, cybersecurity. Virtualization is a very good concept to learn and to know about, to get hands-on about. So today, this is the video. So let's get into it. So if you do a quick search on Vagrant VM2, it says that Vagrant is an open source tool that allows you to create, configure, and manage boxes of virtual machines through an easy to use command interface. So it uses a command interface. Essentially, it is a layer of software installed between a virtualization tool such as VirtualBox, Docker, Hyper-V, and a VM. So if you know HashiCorp, it is the same company that have developed or that own the tool called Terraform. Terraform, it is a tool that is known for automating your infrastructure. So it is known infrastructure as code. So you declare your infrastructure as code. So that is the same tool that was created by HashiCorp. That is the same company that have created this tool called Vagrant. So let's just look everything that this tool can help us, and also what the prerequisite or other tools that we're going to need to use for us to create this virtual machine using the Vagrant tool here. So let's just look into those things. So yeah, I have a tab here called Vagrant Cloud. So Vagrant Cloud is moving to HashiCorp Cloud Platform. So you used to go to Vagrant Cloud if you need to go and download or pull a Vagrant image of the operating system that you want to use on your virtual machine. So they're saying Vagrant Cloud is moving to HashiCorp Cloud Platform. So this is HashiCorp Cloud Platform. So this is where you discover Vagrant boxes, you download them. So they have different Vagrant boxes. So these Vagrant boxes have the operating system and everything that you need to run virtual machines automatically and without making a hassle. So this is where you download the Vagrant images or the Vagrant boxes here at this website. Yeah, so you can just simply search Vagrant Cloud. So search Vagrant Cloud. So if you search Vagrant Cloud, it's going to show you the first page that I just showed you, which is this one. So you don't go there. Navigate, scroll down to hashicorp.com, HashiCorp Cloud Platform, and click there. And this is where we want to download all of our Vagrant boxes that we're going to be using in this tutorial. So I'm just going to be showing you a quick demo, or it maybe even show how to set up a website using this Vagrant Cloud and everything. So it's going to be interesting. Okay. So go ahead and download Vagrant and install it. So install Vagrant on your Windows or Mac. So once you're done with that, I also need you to install VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. That's the hypervisor that we're going to be using in this video, and also install Git Bash. That's going to be the terminal that we're going to be using to run our commands that we're going to be inputting to communicate with the Vagrant, because Vagrant is a command based tool, so you're going to need to use command line. So we're going to need Git Bash, which is going to be like our terminal if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, you can use your own the Mac terminal. It's still fine, but for Windows, just download Git Bash. I already have these tools already, so if you just go download for Vagrant. So it's gonna take you to this page. So it's gonna show you the Mac OS package manager. It's gonna show you how to download. So download Vagrant. So when you're done downloading Vagrant, so I want you to also download Git Bash. As I said, Git Bash is for the terminal for Windows. So download Git Bash, as I said, for Windows. For Mac, you're going to use the terminal, and also download the hypervisor, Oracle VirtualBox. That's the hypervisor we're going to be using in this video, or I'm going to be using to demonstrate to how you use this tool for automation, which is Vagrant, for automating virtual machine creation in VirtualBox. Yeah, so download, or if you want to follow with me, if you want to learn, these are the tools that I'm going to be using. So install them on your machine, and I'll show you how to navigate and how to use this tool called Vagrant, and in line with the VirtualBox and everything else. So once you have downloaded Git Bash, Oracle VM VirtualBox, and Vagrant, we need to go to Vagrant Cloud. So this is how you download or you pull the Vagrant box or the Vagrant image. So the image is the operating system that is packaged in a cloud environment. That's called the Vagrant Cloud, but it's now called HashiCorp Cloud Platform. So we're just gonna head on to this page, and I already had opened another tab here, but let me just show you how you navigate with me here. So go to this page here. So this is where we pull the operating system for our Vagrant environment. So as you can see here, there's Ubuntu, HashiCorp, CentOS, Puppet, Ubuntu. There's a whole lot of Vagrant boxes or Vagrant images that you can pull and create virtual machines using that operating system. So we're going to be using CentOS 9. CentOS 9. So that's the one we're going to be using. So let me show how you pull that Vagrant box. So I want you to search CentOS 9. So and open this one named Euro Linux Vagrant slash CentOS Stream 9. That's the one. That's the specific one that I'm going to be using in this video to create a virtual machine using. So open this page, and for now, let's open our Git Bash. We need to open our Git Bash and create a folder. So open your Git Bash. So create a folder in your local drive. So you could create this folder manually, and go into your local drive, your C drive or your F drive, and create new folder and name your virtual machines. But I'm going to be using the terminal, and it is good practice to use the terminal, because using virtualization, and especially Linux, you have to be very efficient or proficient in terminal and in command line. So we're going to be doing that. So on Windows, this is how you're going to do it. So this is the command. Open your Git Bash. So open your Git Bash and make this create this command, make dir, and we're going to make a directory in C drive. As I said, I'm going to be using C drive. Other people it's F drive or E, I'm not sure, but use the drive, the correct part of the drive. And for Mac, I'm going to show you in a second, but let me just show you for Windows here. So I'm going to be creating a directory in C drive. So make the C drives and the name of the folder that we're going to be creating in C drive. So it's going to be virtual machines. So this is the how I'm going to name so that I can remember the folder and everything. So I'm going to create, so you can create the folder manually. So you can open your what's it called, your file explorer here, and create the folder, C drive, then create new folder, all of that process. But I'm just saying, like, make folder and stuff and create it in C drive. As you say, mine is local drive, it's C. So that's the pathway. So use the right drive and all of that. So let me get back to the git bash. So this is how you do it. So as I say cd into C drive, and I say alias. So you see to my right here, I have a folder called virtual machines. I created one called virtual machines. Don't mind it. It's not the one because it's an error. Focus on this one, virtual machines. This one is an I here, so it's an error. But that's the one that I just recently created. So I want us to change directory into it. Virtual machines. So let me just clear the screen here right now. So this is the, what's it called? I'm in the directory. So for Mac, I think this is how you create it. This is how you run the command. So you say Mac there. I'm not really sure, but I think it's something like this. I think that's the drive of for Mac users, if I'm not mistaken. Then slash and the name of the directory that you want to create, virtual machines. For Mac, this is how you do it. I'm not sure. You can just do a little of ChatGPT and just research, but just the part of the local drive and the name of the directory that you want to create in that. So once you've done that, go back to your browser. I want you to copy the box name, and the box name here is Euro Linux Vagrant Center Stream 9. But I want you to copy it specifically from here, where it is in quotes here, because there's no spaces. Because you shouldn't copy the box name with the space. Where here it is highlighted. So copy it from here because there's no spaces, and just copy without the quotation, just the the words inside. Euro Linux Vagrant Center Stream 9. Just copy, and go back to your bash, or for Mac, go back to your terminal, and hopefully you've created that folder, virtual machine, in your C drive. Then I want you to run this command in the folder that you've created, Vagrant init plus the box name. So paste the box name. So I want you to run this command, Vagrant init, and you paste the box name. So pretty much it's downloading the box from, it's already done. It's fast. So it's downloaded the VM image. The center is VM image. So we have now operating system, our machine and everything. So how we know that it has to create what's called a Vagrant file in that folder. So is it saying a Vagrant file has been placed in this directory? You're now ready to Vagrant up. So we have a Vagrant file in this directory. So we say alias. Exactly. So I just want us to edit this Vagrant file, because this Vagrant file is the whole virtual machines configuration file. So it has you can configure the RAM, the CPUs, the static IP, the bridge interface, all of that. You can do that by, you can use the editor like Notepad, or use Vim. Also, open the file, because if you've created the file in your folder, you can use Notepad. But if I'm just going to show you how to do it on the terminal here. So I'm just going to open using Vim editor. So